How to fix notifications not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're struggling with notifications not working on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings app. So this is where we'll start troubleshooting the notification issues. Scroll down, tap on notifications, and uh, scroll down, and you'll see a list of apps. So let's find the app that's causing trouble. Uh, for example, if your Canva app is not working, then just tap on it. And then first things first, you'll need to make sure allow notifications is turned on. If it's off, it's likely the reason you're not receiving notifications. Now let's check for different notifications options. So you will see lock screen, notification center, banners. I recommend turning on all three. Just tap on it and tick it and turn it on. Then you can see banner style. You can put it temporary or persistent, and then come back, and then you can toggle on sounds and badges as well. And then you can see show previews option. Tap on it, and you can choose whether to show previews when your app is unlocked. If you want your notifications to be private, then you can set it to never. So if you set it to never, you'll only get notifications when you have unlocked your device. And then you can even group your notifications, and that's it. You should now be set to receive notifications on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.